Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write text over image on Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my PowerPoint application on my computer, and if we want to write text over image, we need to add image to this slide. You can right click on your slide and then you're going to go to the format background, and we're going to change the background of this slide with an image, and I'm going to go to the picture or texture fill, and I'm going to insert picture from my device. Okay, I'm just going to go to the download and I'm going to use this image as the background. Okay, and we'll be able to write text over this image. I'm just going to write a sunset like this, and to make it clear I'm going to change the color of the text. I'm going to change it to white. Okay, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to write text over image on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.